go guys, it's Raul TV, Team R4UL, your favourite YouTube mechanic, and we are back again. What I'm doing this time around is we have got a Citroen C4 Picasso on a 2015 plate. We're going to go ahead and replace the front headlight bulbs. Dead easy, should take you no more than 5 minutes. Let's go, let's do it. You can do it outside your house, no problem whatsoever. Raul TV hooking you guys up, let's go. Right, okay, the passenger side one is a little bit easier than the driver side one. So if you're going to change the passenger side one, you can see you can get your hand in there, no problem whatsoever. The driver side one, a little bit cramped on this side. So I'm going to do the driver side one because it's the harder one of the two. Plus mine, I do need the driver side one to win. So we're going to go in here like this. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and take this off here. Anti-clockwise, counterclockwise. Boom, there we go. Okay, the next thing what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take this plug off. As you can see, it's a H7 bulb. We're going to go ahead and take this off. Just pull it off. There we go, that comes off. Just put it to a side, as you can see there. Then what we're going to do is, see this clip here, we need to take this clip off. Right, the next thing what we're going to do is, see these clips here, we're going to push down on the clips and then go towards the side here. Same with this one. Push down and towards the far side. And then boom, there we go, that clip comes off. Then what we do is, the bulb should just come straight out. As you can see, the pointer goes on the top. So we take the bulb out like that. Happy days, let's get the new one on. Let's finish the job off. There we go, H7 bulb. What we're going to do is, obviously, never ever touch the glass. Right, so we'll take it out this way. Basically hold it on the pins there, on the two pins. Make sure you hold it on the pins, and let's get this on. Right, so basically, I mean, in reverse order, you can't really get it wrong. Just put that in there, just like that. I don't know if my hand's in the way, but obviously I need to get it in. There we go, bulb is in there. Now the clips, just lift the clips up like that. Get the clips on just over there like that. Another one over this side. Bulb, there we go. Let's put the plug back on. Happy days. Let's get the cover back on. Try the bulb, try the headlight. Should be okay. Well, there we have it guys. Job done, bulb is on, dead easy. Taking no more than 5 minutes. The thing is, the passenger side one, I'm in the UK, passenger side one, absolutely no problem. Easy, get your hands in there. Even the driver side one, easy to get your hands in there. Only thing is, you know the expansion bottle, the pipe that goes on the top here, this pipe here, okay? Make sure you be careful with that. You don't want to crack that, then obviously you'll need the pipe. When you're doing the driver side one, UK driver side one, make sure you just be careful with that pipe. Anyway, I hope this video helps you guys out. If it didn't help you guys out, I'm sorry. Trying my best. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me. Leave a comment in the comment section. Raul TV, Team R4UL. We'll see you guys next time.